Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can update to Android 17. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, now the thing is that you need to know about Android 17 is you need to first of all check the compatibility. Now Android 17 is available on compatible Google Pixel devices like Pixel 6a and like Pixel 6a, as well as select devices from partner brand like Xiaomi, OnePlus, and OPPO. First of all, once you have done that, you're going to go ahead back up your data. Then you're going to go ahead download via system settings. All you have to do is open your phone settings app. I'm just going to show you in my device, but you have to go to your settings app and then you have to go to the system. You have to go to system and software. Now for me, it's like software update. You need to go to system and software and then go ahead, select your system update or check for updates are if available. If the update is available, then go ahead, tap on download and install, and the Android 17 will be installed right away like that. Now that's the option and that's how you can do it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.